Before we get started, let's talk about what MRIcron actually is. So MRIcron is a free, lightweight neuroimaging viewer used to open, explore, and annotate brain image scans, especially MRI, CT, and PET images in formats like NIfTI and Analyze. So NIfTI, the NIfTI format is usually .nii, or the Analyze format is usually .her. So it's widely used in neuroscience, psychology, imaging, and stroke research because it's fast, simple, and works on almost every computer. So researchers usually use MRIcron for reviewing MRI scans in axial, coronal, and sagittal planes, as you can see in this image here. Um, it can also be used to draw regions of interest, such as lesions, overlay statistical maps like fMRI activations, lesion mass, etc., and exporting figures for publication or presentations. Um, it's extremely intuitive. There's other brain scan imaging platforms, uh, image viewers, but MRIcron is a great tool. So now that you know what MRIcron is used for, let me show you how to download and install it. So the whole process only takes about a minute. So start by opening up your browser and going to nitrc.org/projects/MRIcron. Once you're on the project page, this project page is the official trusted page hosted by the Neuroimaging Tools and Resource Laboratory. There's a lot of other tools on this platform that we'll explore maybe in future videos. So this page is super trusted. And once you're on the project page, you can click on summary, and you'll see installers for Windows, Linux, and Mac. So before we even download this, I just want to show you some more stuff that's on this page that might be useful. You can see where MRIcron, this tool has been used in publications before. Um, this might not be super up to date, but it's super useful to seeing what you can use this tool for. You can see it um, in terms of what the latest MRIcron version is, documentations, um, images to see what sort of images you could create, um, some other tools as well. You can learn about installation, all the things I'm talking about in this video. There's a written version of how to do it, but sometimes seeing a visual can be helpful as well. So one of the things I wanted to draw your attention to as well is obviously we can do lesion mapping and drawing, which we'll talk about in a future video, rendering window, produce a nice image like this, multi-slice window, so we can look at different slices at once. Um, but other things we can also do is see what supported image formats that MRIcron has. So one of the things you might see here is NIfTI. So NIfTI is one of those formats that a lot of brain scans use, but there's a lot of other formats that are available for uh, import that you can import into MRIcron. So when you're citing MRIcron, it also has a citation here. But throughout this tutorial, we'll be using brain scan that I have in the link below for this video that you can use to follow along. And this brain scan is a normal MNI brain scan with the NIfTI format. So it'll work in MRIcron. So going back to summary, and there's also support in case where there's open discussion and help where you can get answers for any troubleshooting you need. So we can go summary, there's execution options, execute now, download now. So under the download now, we can pick the specific version that you want. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to be picking Windows, September 2019, and I'm going to press download. And then I'm going to agree to this license agreement, and it should download in a couple minutes. So after you download MRIcron, you should be able to extract that file. And once you open that up, you should be able to see, sorry, it's just loading. Give me 1 second. Okay, yeah, so after you open up that file, you should be able to easily just open it up instantly. There's no wizard and no setup needed. And if you want quick access, you can right-click this, add this to your start or quick access as well, or create a desktop shortcut. So to do this for Mac OS as well, it's a little bit different, but very simple as well. All you need to do is open the file MRIcron_macOS.dmg, which is a file that'll be downloaded, similar to this one, but just underscore Mac OS, and then drag that file into and open the file and then drag MRIcron.app into your application folder like anything else you would do on Mac OS. and it might give you a warning saying that it can't open the app because it's from an unidentified developer. So you go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and then Open anyways. So after that, MRIcron will launch normally. So there's also a Linux way, but I'm not going to go over it in this video, but I'll put it in the description just in case people need help with that, and also the link to any resources that might be available. So once you open up MRIcron, just a double click, you'll get this view of an atlas right here. Now you're ready to start exploring some brain images. So in the next part of this tutorial, I'll show you how to load a scan, scroll through slices, adjust brightness and contrast, and then add overlays, and maybe also draw a lesion mask as well.